And folks, we got a unique property for you today. It's a Barndominium. Sits down here south of Texarkana, right off of I-49. Go past the Cowboy Church, 4 miles. You've got a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,200 square foot home sitting on 100 acres. And hey, it's got a 40 by 60 shop on it.
Hey buddy, glad you come by.
I'm telling you, it is what a wide open place. Tell me about this place.
Man, this is God's country right here. This is 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Of course, you saw the driveway coming in, 800 linear foot of concrete driveway, cool shop up front, and just really excited. So come on, let me show you through this bedroom right here. Okay. As soon as you come in, this is our boys' bedroom. You got the mirrored door right here, slides either which direction. Got a bath right here. Oh man, yeah. You would love this shower, brother. The water pressure right here in this bad boy right here, plumb knock you down. We plumbed the whole entire house a 3/4 inch, and the well's producing 80 gallons per minute. Yeah, I'll open it up there for you.
Oh, nice.
So for a son or a daughter, they're gonna feel like they're a king right there living in that right there.
That's a king bed.
That's a king bed in here. It makes this room look a little bit small. This room's actually a 12 by 12, which is a good size guest bedroom. But he's got it's a big bed in here, but really nice.
How tall is
These ceilings are 9'6". So come into here. This right here is a bathroom that is actually for a guest bathroom. For everybody who are pet lovers, got a built-in dog sink. We didn't have one. My wife uses it technically for a mop sink and just helping them cleaning clothes and dirty boots and stuff. But you got a double washer and dryer right here. We always put a fan in here. She always loves hang drying clothes. Got plenty of room right here to be able to hang dry clothes. When you come in here, you got the whole entire, this right here is our mud room.
All right. Wow.
It's a large garage.
Oh, that's a finished one.
Them are 12-foot ceilings. It's a 25 by 28. Got a lot of extra storage, got an insulated door, and the garage itself is insulated. You could actually put a heat and air this right here very, very, very easy. Kitchen right here has this is a double oven, something my wife really does love. It actually lower and upper and convectional as well.
They'll work independently.
They work independently. You run one or you run both. So slide out trash can right here. All the goodies. All these are the soft close sliding drawer slides. Shuts in nice and neat right there. So got a pretty view right here. It's a little bit of rain today. Make it hard to see out the window. We just had a downpour. But that's a mile deep right there. Got this pantry. It's what the wife loves right here. It's got it where she can get in there and keep us plenty of grubs in there. Well, hey, here's the fun part of the whole house. I'm gonna breeze by this bedroom right here. It's just a guest bedroom on the right, but I'm gonna show you the fun part. We'll shut this, kind of give you the ambiance. When that right there is shut, kind of looks like you're just in and out of hallway right here. And then you open this right here up. Check it out, man. This right here is living in the South to the maximum. This right here for anybody else could have been a living room, could have been an extra bedroom, could have been a lot of things. We love hunting. It's our man cave. This for me and the boys coming here, ammo reload, coming here and work on cameras. We do have it set up where we can sit right here. We have 2 different chairs that sit right here. And we've got right at about an 800-yard shot. You can sit in here and work on your guns, fine-tune your triggers, do anything you want to do right here in the comfort of your own home.
You know, folks, I've been on the property several times, and each time you go, you see white-tailed deer. Early in the mornings, you see Rio Grande turkeys. It's got hogs on the property. One of the reasons for this, you sit just off of the 18,000-acre Sulphur River Wildlife Management Area.
This is a large back patio right here. We actually insulated this right here. We blew foam insulation on this, and we did this right here. And so you got to imagine on a 100-degree day, you can feel right now how, or say it's probably 93 today trying to rain, but you can feel how cool it is right now sitting up underneath here. It's got 8 inches of foam that's on that right there. So this right here is 14 by, I believe it's 28 or 31 long.
You can grill all day and be covered like a rainy day.
Yep.
Out here grilling.
Yep. And that door right there goes into the kitchen, so you can come in or you can come in and out of the man cave. All right, buddy, here we are. We're almost up here at the top. Here is what you normally don't see in any home. Come out here, a little bit of rain today, but you got a 14 by 16 balcony right here. This is the master bedroom suite. I'm gonna bring you around through here. This room right here, I forget to mention, I want to say this is 16 by 22, but you have enough room for a complete workout set of equipment to be up here. We've kind of left it more open and spacious, but here's your cool walk-in closet right here, buddy.
Look at this.
And here's something Miltons don't have. We made a crawl space. All the little kids, I'm too big to get in there and turn on the light. Light switch to your right. That crawl space is 6 foot wide. Right at 35 foot long. There's one on each side. If you look down there at the other end,
what a hideout for
the kids come up here and they love, when the nieces and nephews come, they love playing in them. And a person could have finished this right here out. Like I say, this is actually, this whole entire closet inside is 31 foot long. There's your laundry chute right there.
Instead of walking down, you can just throw
the clothes in right down there in the laundry room.
Down in the laundry.
But I love being able to get to study the Word of God and get to hang out and pray. I always wanted a prayer closet, and we got moved into this house with the room that we had. It made it really nice to be able to put a desk there and be able to get up here and have a quiet place to come read the Word. Okay. We do have a water bottle cooler right here.
Oh, yeah.
My wife, sometimes during the winter time, she brings a coffee pot and sets it right there. She loves having coffee and everything to be ready. So got the bathroom with the door on there for privacy for it. Got the freestanding tub right here. Like I say, this whole entire house, the well produces 85 gallons per minute. The whole entire house is plumbed with 3/4 inch cold and hot lines. So when you're in the shower, you're in the tub, you're at a faucet, you ain't got nothing but a volume of water. A woman don't have no problem rinsing her hair, getting soap out of her hair. This shower right here, super cool, just like the one downstairs. You sit right here and gives you temperature and the whole entire deal. Tells you how long you've been. You can time your shower, and at night time them lights are out.
And turn whatever temperature you want on it.
Turn whatever temperature. It has body misters, hand sprayers, whole 9 yards. That little niche down there is for the women to be able to put their feet in and be able to shave. Oh. Tracy just loves that. Of course, you have a place right there for all your soap and stuff. We got a 40 by 60 shop right here. All 4 bay doors.
Look at that.
Everything's wired. It's got set up for a compressor, set up for a welder. Has everything LED lighting, all your switches, all your outlets. It's set up to be able to basically, you can either work out of it or play out of it. Or maybe do a little bit of both.
And for all you guys that like to raise cattle, it'll hold 70 pair of mama cows with their calves. It's great soils down there. If you're looking for an operation like this, a barn dominium like no other in this area, give me a call.